Okay, after a lot of work and 2 test runs, and shall we see how it's starting. It looks pretty decent. Couple of few new chrome accessories. Still had to bolt on the rear trunk with the backrest for the passenger. And otherwise it looks pretty okay. So let's see how it starts. I think it needs a rebuilt starter, or maybe I just buy a new starter. I bought the AGM battery, 330 gold crank amps. The other battery just died after a couple of seconds of starting attempt. But I must say, after just the basic setup of the carburetors, not really a good synchronization, it still runs very good, I must say. I took it out on the parkway, I was doing 60-65 miles per hour, and that is a slight misfiring. But I think we can adjust that away. Needs valve lash adjustment, just to check it, and otherwise I think it's ready to go.